Valor. Valor is the oil that I probably use most frequently in the kit. I apply many times a day because Valor is liquid alignment. We're talking physical alignment, we're talking emotional alignment, mental, spiritual, anything that you get too spun out on something, you get too overwhelmed with something, put a little Valor on your wrists. And just take a few breaths. What Valor showed to me in plant talk was a snake close to the ground, feeling everything and moving through it. Valor is fabulous, grounding, support, strength, courage. It's something that I carry with me at all times. It truly is a magical oil. Valor, Valor, Valor. Put your roller ball on it for ease of application. Use often and frequently. I also like to put it on my neck, my spine, and on my low back, my places on my back that tend to get Valor. We love you. Thank you.